Here at Tormach, we love to share your stories. So here's Entertainment Fabrication, who are making some uniquely simple parts in Dallas, Texas.
What we do is a lot of manufacturing brackets and adapters for the entertainment industry. We work a lot with local companies that provide staging, lighting, trussing, and we make parts that'll interface between those components in a different way than they've been able to in the past. We also started working with a lot of local designers, and when they come up with creative concepts for theater productions or for concerts, and we'll help create all of the staging and infrastructure that goes in for those productions. So a lot of the products that we manufacture have 4 to 16 holes drilled in them so that they can be bolted to various items. And as you can imagine, trying to drill a lot of holes exactly where they're supposed to be manually can be very time consuming. And so when we graduated to our Tormach machine, it allowed us to dramatically cut down on the lead time of doing those. So now, instead of the looser tolerances and spending an hour just trying to drill out a plate, we can clamp something on here, generate the hole pattern within PathPilot, and then have the part out in 15 minutes. And so we really reduce the lead time of any of the parts that we do. I started this company with a couple of friends of mine in early 2013. We had a couple of ideas of solving some problems in ways that we hadn't seen people doing it before. And so we kind of pulled together our knowledge, our resources, and I sort of took the lead with designing a lot of new brackets and adapters. I had some experience in CAD that really came into play so that we could start creating drawings. And when we finally decided we need to jump into the world of 3D CNC machining, the simplicity that Tormach has put into PathPilot for being able to create hole patterns, do a drill and tap cycle right within the software and not having to go to an outboard CAM software was really an attractive feature for me. So the only other CAD experience that I have is using our plasma table, and about half of the products we manufacture start on that. As plate material, we put it up, it cuts out the basic pattern. But until we are able to invest tens of thousands of dollars in an HD plasma system, we're not going to be able to get the refined cut quality that we need in order to be able to directly tap holes or to get a nice part fit up. And that's where we're able to come over to our Tormach and refine a hole or drill out features that are too small to cut with a plasma. Actually, a funny story about how I first found out about Tormach. I was actually searching for Torchmate, that's who manufactures our plasma table, and I mistyped it, and Google was like, "Do you mean Tormach?" I'm like, well, maybe I mean Tormach, and I clicked on them, and it's these mills, and I got really fascinated. But it wasn't until we finally had a need for a CNC mill that I was like, I know exactly who I'm going to go to, because I'm already kind of familiar with their products. I know what they have to offer. I've seen them upgrading their equipment over the years, and I know from other YouTube users that I've seen that there's somebody that will stand behind their work and are going to continue to upgrade and improve their products.
Thanks for watching. Check out all of our latest videos here, and for more metalworking tips, tricks, and stories, subscribe to our YouTube channel.